Imagine clearly seeing India's cleanest cities and understanding exactly why they excel in sanitation, all on a single, interactive map. Today, let's discover how MAPOG transforms cleanliness data into powerful spatial insights. Start by visiting story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Title your project, India's Cleanest Cities, a spatial story, and briefly describe how this interactive map highlights sanitation success stories across India. Next, set the scene by uploading India's national and state boundaries with GIS data library. Once uploaded, style the national boundary with a light shade and give the state boundaries a clear, bold outline to make regional divisions stand out effectively. Then, prepare and upload your CSV file containing each city's name, state, latitude, longitude, and cleanliness ranking with Upload Excel or CSV file in Add Upload Data. With MAPOG's intuitive styling tools, color code your cities to highlight sanitation performance. Green for top 5 cities. Yellow for ranks 6 to 10. Orange for ranks 11 to 15. Red for ranks 16 to 20 instantly pinpoint sanitation leaders and areas needing extra attention. Now, bring your map to life using the Add Story tool in MAPOG. Simply click on cities like Indore or Surat and enter interactive story points. Add an informative title, a short description of their sanitation achievements, and even include images or media. This transforms your data layer into an engaging, narrative-driven experience. Finally, save your work and share your interactive map with the preview and share option. Generate a public link or embed your map into websites and blogs, empowering planners, policymakers, and citizens to explore sanitation success stories across India. Mapping cleanliness goes beyond visuals. It drives meaningful, real-world improvements. With MAPOG, everyone can engage, inspire, and contribute to cleaner, healthier cities. Have questions? Reach us anytime at support@mapog.com.